Budgeting apps can transform your money management, but if you're choosing between Actual Budget, Firefly 3, and YNAB, which one should you pick? Let's break it down. So Actual Budget is a personal finance app that shines with strong account reconciliation, double entry accounting, multi-account tracking, and calendar-based transactions. It's great if you want detailed control over your accounts, categories, and cash flow, but may feel a bit complex for beginners. Some of its pros: it has powerful account tracking and reconciliation, excellent for detailed cash flow and double entry fans. However, it has a steeper learning curve and not as user-friendly for casual budgeting. Firefly 3 is an open source budgeting platform. You can self-host or use hosted options. It's super flexible with rules, tags, and ledger style tracking, and privacy friendly because you control your data. Some of its pros: full customization and privacy, great reporting and tagging system. However, self-hosting can be technical, and the UI UX isn't as polished as commercial apps. YNAB is a popular goal-oriented system focused on giving every dollar a job. It uses a zero-based budgeting method that helps you plan ahead and break spending habits effectively. Some of its pros: simple mindset-focused approach, excellent educational resources and support. However, it has a subscription cost and less detail on accounts and reconciliation versus Actual Budget or Firefly. The final wording: choose Actual Budget if you want detailed accounting and reconciliation. Choose Firefly 3 if you want open source control and privacy. And finally, choose YNAB if you want easy, goal-driven budgeting that changes spending habits. The bottom line: pick based on how deep you want to go, from practical everyday budgeting in YNAB to full accounting in Actual Budget to full self-hosted control in Firefly 3. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.